Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our day 8 challenge. So we've done 8 days of short little mini challenges, helping you build confidence, build up your belief in yourself that you can actually do a full class with me, teaching you some of the most common moves, particularly in Piyo, these first few days of the challenge. And then we are going to move to Turbo eventually. So I'm really pumped for that. So my name is Kate. You guys welcome. If you've not done any of the other challenges, I will post all of the other videos, 1 through 7, somewhere above or below this post in the description below if you're on YouTube. But yay, welcome. This is my virtual studio. Did I already say my name is Kate? My name is Kate. If you don't know me, I teach online. I've moved my classes fully online. It's been amazing and awesome and wonderful, and I love technology so much. And I've really built up an online studio that feels amazing. Sound quality is amazing. Our community is amazing. The people are amazing. So make sure you're in our groups. I will also link those above or below. Those are open to anybody. And then Lindsay is hosting a bunch of giveaways in her group for free workout gear. So join my group for the fitness, join her group for the workout stuff, for the gear, and then you're going to be set to go. So let's get into it. So yesterday we did the first part of a flow section, a typical flow section. So we're working through building up a full flow section, which is 8 moves, and we put them all together. So we're going to do the second set of 4 moves today. So if you did not do yesterday's challenge, you'll definitely want to do that, because tomorrow we're going to mash the 2 together. And the flow section is yoga-based moves, but we flow to the beat of the music, and so there is a learning curve. If you come to my classes, you have to give yourself 10 times before you can make any judgments. You cannot come one time and tell me that you didn't like it, okay? Okay. I always have a quote of the day. I always have reminders posted, and I decorated for the holidays. You like that? All right, let's get to the workout and to the challenge for today. So my classes are unique. We have a front view and a side view for the camera angle, so that's really nice. You can see both sides for form and to make sure you're having the proper technique. So the moves for today, we're going to go through 4 moves. These ones are a little more dynamic, a little more flowing, and then we'll turn the music up and we'll actually put them to the music. So it is actually only, I want to say it's 3 moves, but one of them is actually a combo move. So the first move, we've got a combination of 3 moves in one, and it's very fluid. So you're going to be in a lunge position with both feet are facing forward, and it's going to be a lunge, but we're going to round down, kind of reaching under our legs, and then we lift it up. So that's the first part of the move. We round down. That's how I will cue it. I'll say round down. You're just going to reach under like you're rounding your arms, and then you reach it up. Then we press into Warrior 3. We did this the other day in the challenge. Let me back it up here. Warrior 3, straight leg, foot flex, feet down, and toes down in the back. You're a straight line, and we just hinge forward, and then we come right up into tree. Now, you can just tap down there if you don't want to balance in tree. That's advanced. You guys, it's fluid though. It's fast. So it's basically we're rounding down, lifting up, pressing to Warrior 3, and then coming into tree, or you're coming into the tap down. Okay, you choose. Here it is to the music. Round 2, 3, 4, press up. 2, 3, 4, Warrior 2, 3, 4, tree or tap in. Then we do it again. Okay, it's fast. We flow. That's why this section is called flow. That's the first move, okay? You can do this, I promise. Second move is a bowler, and then we tap back, lifting that front foot for a hamstring stretch. Bowl, 2, 3, 4, hamstring, 2, 3, 4, back and forth. It's fluid. We flow. That's why this section is called flow. And then the last move is we take our time into low lunge. So low lunge, big step back, wide stance, knee is over that front ankle. Now options here, you can have this knee in the back up, or you can lower it down for more support. You can have an arm up for a twist if you want. You can have the arm up with the knee up. So you have to play around with that to see what feels good for you. And then we repeat. All right, you guys, let's try it. Let's try it to some music. Are you ready? We're going to go through it slow, don't worry, and then we'll speed it up. Okay, let me get the music up for us so we can enjoy the music. I like to crank it loud in my classes. I actually turn it up louder in my classes, so you gotta come to class for some nice loud music. Music is part of it. All right, let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna do that round down move quite a few times to really get the feel for it. There we go. Let me turn my music up a little bit louder. I need loud music. Okay, our right foot is gonna be forward. We're gonna do that round down. Okay, you're gonna get this. Just practice. Give yourself grace. Round down right here. Round. Now lift it up. Now press to warrior. Now go to tree or tap down. Again, round down. Round. Lift it up. Go to warrior. Go to tree. Again, round down. Round. Lift it up. Warrior. Go to tree or tap. Round down. Are you getting it? Lift it up. Warrior. All is squeezed and tight. Let's keep doing this. Round down. We're going to get it. Lift it up. Warrior. Tap in our tree. Again, round down. Lift it up. Warrior. Tree. Let's do the bowler right here. So it's a slow roll back. Now bring a hamstring stretch. Again, it's bowl 2, 3, 4. Pull it back and stretch. Arms just move naturally. Keep it here. Bowl 2, 3, 4. Pull it back and lift. Ah, leg is burning. Okay, now we're gonna do low lunge. Take your time. Step all the way forward. Bring it all the way back. Really get that big wide stance. Choose your level. Knee can be up. Knee can be down. Arm can be up. Arm can be down. Find what feels good. You can move through it. Low lunge is an amazing stretch. Feels so good. Okay, let's lift everything up. Let's try from the top. Round down. Lift it up. Go to warrior. Go to tree. Round down again. Lift it up. Warrior. Go to tree. Let's bowl right here. Go. Bowl, press to hamstring. Again. Bowl to hamstring. 2 more times. 1 more. Take your time, low lunge. Step it forward, step it back, and sink. Options. Arm up. You can have arm down. Step knee down. Okay, let's lift it up. We're gonna switch sides. We're gonna try the other side, same pace. Okay, we got this. Checking my time. Yes, left foot forward. Right foot is back slightly. We got that round down. Ready? Round down. Go round. Now lift it up. Now press to warrior. Go to tree or tap it in. Again, round down. Lift it up. Warrior. Go to tree or tap. Keep going. Round. Lift it up. Warrior. Tap it in our tree. Round down. Lift it up. Warrior. Go to tree. Ah, it's balanced. Okay, bowl with a hamstring. Bowl 2, 3, 4, hamstring. So your knee should be right over that ankle. It's never jutting forward. You gotta step back big to make that happen. Stay here. Bowl and hamstring. Chest is up. Core is engaged and tight. All is strong. Arms are strong. You're strong. Okay, low lunge. Step it forward. Step it back. Take your time. Choose your level. You can do the full low lunge with a twist. You can drop that knee. What feels good? It should feel good. Stay here. You can move through it to the beat. We're gonna do it all. We're gonna flow. Okay, lift it all up. Got the round down. Ready? your tap. Round down. Lift it up. Warrior. Go on a tree. Forward hamstring go. Pull. Press back. Again. 2 more. 1 more. Low lunge. Take your time. Get into that position that feels good for you. Both feet in. Stand it up. Stand it up. And fold. Pedal all your legs. We did it. Stand it up. And fold. And pedal. Yeah. Clap. Woo. Hey, you just did the second half of a flow section. So if you did yesterday's challenge, you did part 1. Now you know part 2. Tomorrow we're doing part 3. So, turn this down. Okay, you guys. Flow is so amazing and beautiful. All right, you did it. Day 8. You get a sticker. This is our sticker for today because we have an awesome game of Mad Libs going on in our group, and it's so fun and so funny. So you should be in our group. So you guys, you did it. Yay. Day 8 in the books. Make sure you come back tomorrow because we're going to put those together, and it's going to be a beautiful flowing dance. You're going to feel amazing. You're going to feel strong. You're going to feel confident, and you're going to be ready to rock a full class by the end of the month. So thank you for being here. Find the groups above or below. Find the other challenges. Feel free to share them, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye.